2916 Northeast 60th Street. We're sitting in the city main at 108 feet. We're going to pull back from here and record as we go. I'm going to zero out the footage. Alright, you can see the waste going by there on the city main. Then we have SDR 35 coming up from the main and turns back into clay real quick. This is a shared line portion of this job for residents. Still in the 6-inch diameter clay pipe. There is a transition from 4 to 6. You can see right on the top right-handed side of your screen that little line there. That is the shared line tie-in from the neighbor. So from here back, we'll zero it out again. Get a proper footage count of the customer's private 4-inch line. So now we're back in the 4-inch clay pipe. There's heavy root intrusion throughout a majority of this pipe. It looks like we've got a small break right there. And that's an old tie-in. Not quite sure. That looks broken to me. We'll have to do some digging to figure out what that is. But we'll continue coming back. You don't see that. You can see the amount of root intrusion coming through this line. This was cabled yesterday. Customer states that he's been getting cabled every 6 to 8 months from root intrusion. You can kind of see as we're coming back through his 4-inch line, the lines from the cable blade. Kind of a circular motion all the way around the pipe as it rotates and goes down. Nice big roll there. There. Still in clay pipe. Turn right there. And now we're in cast iron. So you have 67 feet of 4-inch liner material needed to line this line. And the rest is cast iron back to our access point here as we clean out in the wall. I'm going to end the recording there.